Hi and welcome back to the next video. In the last video, I promised you that I was going to show you how you can get these DNS records into your Cloudflare DNS, how you can import and export. So let's go and see. It's not a one-click process because you'll need a backup of your website. So I'm just going to click there on backups, and I will create a backup. You can add backup exclusions, and let me take that backup. So just give it a moment to finish the backup, but you can add backup exclusions. So for instance, if there are certain domains that you don't want to backup, say you have multiple domains and you only want to have the one backup, you can come to backup exclusions there, edit the backup exclusions. If you want to exclude certain domains, type the domains name there, as it says, 1 per line. So just type all the domains that you don't want to import. Do the same for mail domains and the databases as well. For the database, you can actually just type in a star to exclude all. So let's see if our backup is ready. All right, the backup is ready, so you can download it. There, the backup is complete. Hest backup. And let's see what's inside there, DNS. So that's what we need. That is what we need. So just go inside of it. And let me see if I can drag the entire thing there. Open it. Configuration. So .db, this is a file you need. Okay, you can actually open it and look at it. Open with Visual Studio Code. And this is what you need to send to your Cloudflare, and your DNS records will be imported. So let's go and do that. And here you'll see import and export. So I'm going to import. I can drag in my file, drag it in, and it's asking, do you want to proxy all the records that come in? At least all the proxyable records. Do you want to proxy them? Yes, just proxy all of them. And then I will upload. And you can see some records have failed. Why has it failed? Because these records already exist. So if you come here, you're going to see all your records are here. But if you want to use HestiaCP to send your email, what are we going to do? You're using HestiaCP to send mail. Your mail server is HestiaCP. What are you going to do? This, which is the mail server, you're going to unproxy that. That way, mail will be sent. Without doing this, you won't be able to send mail. Or host name as well. You can get away without proxying this, because if you proxy it, the mail server goes back to the host name, and you might get an error if you check your mail server on MX Toolbox and you receive an error some error about host name. Then you just come here and uncheck the proxy, right? In my case, I'm not using the server for anything. In fact, I'm going to delete it right now, so I can leave it unproxied for now. All right, so you've seen how to import your HestiaCP DNS records for any domain to Cloudflare. All right, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I will see you next time in another video. If you need any support, feel free to let us know. WordPress support, Linux server support, server setup, server fixes, just come here. All our prices are listed publicly, so you don't have to contact me asking what are your quotes. No, all prices are listed. Okay, if you come there, you'll see the pricing.